Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. You guys, today we're gonna do a very easy cake. Believe it or not, the pound cake queen, we're getting ready to do a box cake. Not only are we doing a box cake, y'all, we're gonna do it in the microwave. So this is a chocolate lava cake, and we're using Devil's Food. Lord Jesus, we need to call this the angel food. But we're using this chocolate box cake mix. We are going to follow the directions that are on the box, okay? Which calls for 3 eggs. We're going to use a cup of water and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And all we're going to do is we're going to bake it in the microwave or cook it in the microwave. Y'all hear my grandbaby in the background? I done told him I'm going to need him to be good and not be interrupting his G-Mom's production. Cutie pie. But I'm going to fix it in this Pampered Chef fluted bundt cake pan. You guys, I've had this for years. It's clean. One thing about stoneware, the more you use it, the more you cook in it, the darker it will get, okay? And I'm going to season it up really good with my Baker's Joy. We're going to drop the chocolate icing right in the raw cake batter. Y'all, we're going to put this in the microwave for about 13 minutes. Let it cook. I'm going to leave my microwave closed for about another 25. And then we're going to take it out, dump it, and you will see the magic happen. And once it's done, we're going to use get some vanilla ice cream. While it's warm, listen, y'all, it's going to be wonderful. I have family here. My 2 tornadoes are here. Those are my nieces, tornadoes 1 and 2. They're here. And my daughter is over here. My other niece here, Leah Badia. Y'all, who else coming? My sister's here, my brother-in-law. Y'all know dude number 1 in the house. Dude number 2, he's here somewhere. And we get ready to enjoy some chocolate lava cake with some ice cream, and just be living our best life over here eating warm chocolate cake with ice cream. And Jackson, you want some too, baby? You want some too? I like to put my water in first. That way I can just make sure everything gets all mixed up and there's no dry ingredients at the bottom. We're going to put the cake mix in here. We're going to do this little 4th cup of vegetable oil. Jackson, I'm going to need you to be good over there, okay? And 3 eggs. I'm not even using a mixer. And we're just going to get this mixed up. I've already sprayed my tube pan thoroughly over here with my Baker's Joy. And when I mix up a cake mix, you guys, I don't try to get the batter smooth. That's over mixing it. I mix it up enough to get everything moistened. Make sure I don't have any dry ingredients at the bottom. And that's it. This cake is already mixed up. So now we're going to get it poured in the tube pan and make sure I have a little flat spatula. To get all the batter out. And like I say, when I put my water in first, it just prevents, make sure everything is moistened, because when I put that, if I just put the cake batter in, the powdered batter in first before I do any of the liquid, sometimes it causes it to, some of that dry batter will end up in the bottom and it takes a little bit longer for me to get it mixed up. So I just like to add the water first. Okay, now we're just gonna take the icing, just drop it in all the way around. All the way around, and that's it, y'all. Sweet baby. Sweet baby. Okay. So now we're going to put the cake in the microwave. We're going to set, it's 8:29. We're going to set it for 13 minutes. Press start. We're going to let her cook. And then I'm gonna, once the timer goes off, I'm gonna let it continue to sit in the microwave without opening it for another 25 minutes, okay? So we're gonna let it do its thing. All right, so it's been 13 minutes. Now let's see if my microwave lets me be great, because sometimes my timer acts up and it won't let me be great. Oh no, I ain't trying to cook it. Let's see, kitchen timer, let's see. It let me be great. Okay, so now we have the timer set for 25 minutes, and we're not going to open the door, and we just wait. All right, it's time for the cake to come out. Let's see what we're looking like. Y'all look, it's done. All right, you guys, now we have to see the magic happen. Oh my goodness. Let's see, let me grab my, should have already had it in my pot holder. So we can flip. Okay. Oh, yes. See how clean that came out? Chocolate lava. I mean, look at all that ooey gooey chocolate goodness. And the babies are here and they are all ready to dig in. Vanilla ice cream on standby. Jackson, you ready for some too, baby? Ooh-wee. Y'all see my tornado 1, tornado 2, baby? Let's shake us up. We are ready. Look forward to you joining us again next time. Y'all ready?
Shake some, just shake some, just shake some, just shake some, just shake, 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 shake.
Shake some. Y'all doing it. Oh, I see you, Grace. You shaking some. Oh, Grace is saying you shaking. Make sure your head, it's cutting off your head. You so thin. Shake some. Oh, wait a minute. What we doing? Okay, wait a minute.
I'll tell you. Listen, shake something. Don't break something. Don't break something.
Look, I'm gonna keep it simple. We're gonna do the church choir rock. We're gonna take them to church.
Somebody please give me a...
Take them to church.